What's up, guys? We are back here, man. Couple days later, man. I done took the fam back home, switched cars, and came right back to LA. And we are finally about to pick up the Harley, man, that I got from Copart recently. So you guys are going to see it first here with me first. So let's see and hope for the best here now, shall we? We got about a mile or two left before we get there, so. Let's see it. You guys are gonna see it here with me first. The tow truck is already here. We literally called them like 10 minutes ago. All right, so I got the thing pretty much up here on the tow bed, getting it all strapped down. It's a good little view, man. Definitely gonna need an interference. That joint. It's a nice little color. This thing is hard. That's crazy. All right, guys, we got the bike loaded up. Now it's time to go up, man. I feed him because I actually gave him the wrong address. I don't know the address, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'll catch you guys when we get over there. Guys, this dude pulled up fast, man. You was zooming, huh? Y'all see it, man. Big Harley, big 103s, big everything, man. Oh, I need to get on it?
Yeah, get on it, please.
All right, I can grab the seat?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Wait. Alrighty, man. So we got the bike off the trailer. My boys came and helped me out. Oh man, this blue is looking nice. It's time to get this thing pressure washed up. Check it out, and just get this thing a little bit clean, man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. Got the dust and everything, so we're gonna pressure wash this, clean it up real nice before we take it in the back. But man, we gotta get this chrome clean and everything. We got the leg warmers on there. Doesn't look like no bends or anything in the forks. Actually looks pretty good. It got HID, like LED lights or whatever you want to call it. Really good looking bike, man. See, like the chrome is just like super black, so I'm sure we might be able to get this thing a lot cleaner than what it is. But man, I'm so excited. When I tell you guys, this thing is nice. I got 2 sets of keys. I got 2 sets of keys, so that's a plus. Man, nice blue bike. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We can actually take off and look. Can't be on a block too long without the homies pulling up. What's up, man? Man, cooling. Yeah, I just got out here right now.
Hey, Spooky, what up, fool? What up, man?
Check these bags out. Looks like he fell on this side for sure. Okay, we got nothing in the bags on that side. Yeah. That's good. Hey, happy birthday, bro. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, man, we got the bags open. Got the tour pack. What's in here? Nothing. And we got a lot of space in here, man. I'm loving this. Ooh, I love it. So we got it off the trailer. My boy about to help me pressure wash this joint down. Let's see how clean we can get it to look. Y'all seen how dirty it was. That might work too, shoot. That motherfucker been sitting outside since February 20th. Basically, huh? They didn't already got rained on and shit. First, we got some awesome. Gonna try to knock this dust and stuff loose, man. Hopefully that eat up some of that corrosion. But I'm excited, man. I can't wait to see how clean we get this thing. I gotta figure out how to take the tour pack off because it's not the quick release.
All right.
Right, yeah. We gotta figure it out, man. But I'm excited, for sure. For sure, I'm excited. Now we about to ooze it down with the oohs and the ahs right now, man. So we knocked the top dust off, but it's been sitting so long. It's got another layer of dust just sitting on it, but we definitely gonna get it right. It definitely has some potential, that's for sure. Tell me my uncle just put up on me.
Yeah, man. All right, Assy Massy. Oh, you all right?
Sliding, man. Got the Bassani on that joint. Sound good.
Look, I blew my amp out, and then I knocked my damn my screw out my damn.
Got Avatar
right
on
I
this
gotta
joint.
change that. So now I'm about to go. I'm about to go have to switch it out. Switch it out right here real quick.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
on a white motorcycle with my EQ.
Oh yeah, you on.
No, I got my stuff. It blew out on me. I had this in there temporarily.
I like that.
You see this EQ? This shit? I had this shit up in there temporarily, but this it blew out.
Man, you better wipe this thing down, man. You out here in LA, man.
Man,
You gotta have this thing clean,
man,
dog.
I just took it out the garage, man.
Nah, I know. Alrighty guys, so we got the tour pack off. Now it's looking like something I would ride. It's looking like a younger bike. So now we gotta unscrew this bracket here. Looks like these two screws, or these three screws rather, and to get this bracket off. But after that, we should be good. I don't know, we'll see. So we got this bracket off and boom, it's just that easy. 1 and 2. And then we gotta hide the wires under the seat, tuck them. But that's how you do that. I thought it would be harder than that, but that's A1. Alrighty guys, so we got the bracket off. We got the battery out because this thing is like super dead. So we're about to go get his battery and see if this thing will start up. Maybe we can get a little test run or something. We fixed that brake up there. No more leaking and the brakes work now. So we're all good there. About to throw the saddlebags back on. I had to take the tour pack off because, you know, that's just like old man status. But like, I'm excited. I cannot wait. About to fire this thing up for you really quick and see what's really popping and really cleaned up nice. What y'all think though? Came and saved the day, man. What'd you drop? Oh, the rock. Oh. Alright, so we got that battery in, man, and we're gonna put everything back together and hope we can get this thing cranked up, man. It's looking real good, though. I can't believe it. So we done got it, we got it started up, man. We gotta warm this battery up, but it's definitely looking good. We got the little bright light HIDs on that joint. No, for sure. This thing look good. But see if it'll turn off when you take the shit off the battery. Oh no, you good.
You gotta just ride it and keep it charged up.
Right, I'm gonna put this shit back together.
Running smooth?
Man, so after all that hard work, man, you know I had to come to Ramona's and get some good old Mexican food here in the lovely Gardena, California. I'm gonna show y'all what this food look like. It's gonna be fire. Oh man, and this is exactly what I was waiting for. The cheese enchiladas. Ooh wee! Can't get no better than that, man. I see the homie put up on a joint, man. That's good. Okay. You see what's going on, man. You should have came through earlier, man. I had mine out.
Man, that's what I was trying to see.
Me. Joint clean. So, alrighty, guys. Damn, it's early morning. I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Man, I'm going to go mess with the bike today. But yeah, y'all got the first video, clean up and all that, man. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, man. I appreciate you tuning in. What y'all think about the bike? Did it clean up real nice, man? Let me know.